Well, greetings everyone, and thank you so much for jumping back into another video of the series Technical Analysis. So today the video will talk about the Bitcoin. I have given you all the prospects, all the possible scenarios in my previous videos about Bitcoin, what could happen in Bitcoin as well. As we are also going to look at Cardano. So I have given you good entries on Cardano. However, this is not a financial advice, but I still try to suggest you those points where those smart players, those who of you are good at trading, those who know the strategies, they know how to manage the risk. They can make some good money out there. So consider this video as a free signals but just try to manage your risk. Okay, we're gonna talk about Bitcoin first. Okay, now look at here. Look at the structure first. I mean, if you go from this point, if you take the reference from this point, this place is your lower high. However, something positive right now going on is that on 1 hour time frame, we are just crossing this 200 moving average and retesting it. There is a possibility of this move, of this sudden move happening, because we are on the 200 moving average. If I can show you historically how much probable this move is, you see it is acting as a resistance here, and there we go. There you see, the moment we cross this 200 moving average, we got some good volume and it just blasted off. We can go back, look at further examples. Now these examples, you can see this one was just another leg up a little bit, but went back down, lost its momentum. We can call it resistance. So 200 moving average, it always acts as a good stiff resistance. So we can say that we are currently at resistance because, I mean, we need a 1 day close above this line as well. I mean, we need a complete daily consolidation on this point, and we need 4 hour close as well. But if we change the time frame, we might change the position of this as well. You see, now on the 4 hour time frame, our 200 moving average is almost along with this resistance that has now become resistance. You see, you broke it down, you got a retest on $47,000. That was the point where I told all of you that the market is going down, and I mean, everybody believed me. I have good people. Okay, so talking about this structure, you came out of this support level. I talked about this being a whole deviation in the break of structure move. This would be good if we go to this $22,000 right away. I mean, I talked about the possibility of this structure so earlier that when the price was here, I talked about the price going here and coming back, forming a inverse head and shoulder pattern. See, one shoulder, head, second shoulder. I talked about the possibility of this move happening. However, this is hypothetical. It does not necessarily have to comply with what I say. So what I am expecting, well, the market, I don't see some volume, so I'm not so much positive. If I saw some volume, I would give you some signal. You see that we need this kind of volume, this kind of volume. However, we see this volume is declining. The price is moving up, which is actually a bearish divergence, talking about the momentum of the market. I remember I told you about this same thing, right? Let me just go back. What is $28,000? The price is moving up and the volume declining. I mean, there was a point, I don't know when was that happening, but maybe it was for another coin, for BNB or something else. So the same thing was happening. We had this declining slope of volume going down, but the price was continuously moving up. That created a bearish divergence that took us back to these levels that you see right now in front of you. So I don't wanna take a trade here. I just wanna watch this whole area. I wanna watch this whole area. Not a short trade as well. But I might take some scalps on the basis of some indicators. I wanna wait for this zone, this trend line, 24,403. I wanna close above this one would make me somehow a bit of into bullish momentum. But before that, and with that, along with that, I'm not gonna take any kind of long trade. Anyways, okay, talking about Cardano, it has been showing some strength, and not a positive strength. If you if you show some strength and you start printing this is a bad sign. So I talked about this area, continuously talk about this area being a major support level, and I can see right now, if I zoom out into the macro, and let's close the volume first. So you see that Cardano, it does not make any significant moves without good consolidation. You can see some good consolidation went here, the price went up, deviation, and then you just got up. So here as well, similarly, every point you see Cardano, it does a lot of accumulations. And right now you can see that we are in that accumulation phase. That's what I get from this place. But you see, we made this triple bottom, 1, 2, and 3. If we do not get below this level, if we do not get below this level, Cardano will have a big significant move very soon. But before that, you have to realize that we have a divergence, bearish divergence on Cardano as well. And I mean, it's not necessary that it cannot go down. It can go down. That could happen. But the probability is that this place is a lot. This is an order block. You see here, you got a lot of orders here. You get pumped from this point. I mean, I talked about this point way earlier. You can watch the previous video on Cardano. And you see, however, this time this does not pump the way this was already pumping. It just came down, touched it and pump, came back and touched and pump. I see some accumulation, which is a good sign as well as bad sign. I mean, there is a possible chance the order block has been exhausted, all the orders are filled, and they have lost the momentum and they can go down anytime. So you can get ready for that as well. If it goes down, what is the point that you are looking for? I mean, this is the trend line that you need to look at, and this is the zone. And talking about the RSI, we have this good bullish divergence on the RSI, which is a positive sign. Price is making double bottom, and this is going like this. So that is a great sign of strength, divergence. Just need Bitcoin to hold its thing, and then we can go further into this. So I hope you like the analysis, you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure you subscribe the channel. And by the way, I have recorded a complete course on technical analysis. If you want to learn analysis like me, you can check out the course. The link is in the description. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.